Hello there, Marguerita here with another EFT tapping video for you. And today's tapping is about loving what is and trusting the unfolding. So, if you don't know about the work of Byron Katie, she is absolutely amazing. And she does something called The Work, which is 4 questions and a turnaround. She has a book called Loving What Is. Now, the basic principle of the work that she does is that it is our thoughts that create our suffering. And she actually demonstrates this through her process of the 4 questions and the turnaround, because when you resist what is, it can create suffering in your life. It does tend to create this perpetuation of what is. And resisting what is futile, because what is is. If you don't like where you're at right now, then you can do things and take different actions and make different decisions to actually change the outcome in the future. But right now, if you are sitting down and whinging and bitching and complaining about where you're at, which I'm sure you're not because you're watching my channel, but that just creates more suffering because you're just perpetuating what is. You're not doing anything about it. You're not taking action to change it. You're just sitting in this place of suffering and resistance. And resistance is the primary reason why people do not achieve the results that they want. It is that resistance that holds out the wealth, the freedom, the success that you truly desire and deserve and that you are very, very capable of. So the other part of this is trusting the unfolding, because I am a firm believer that life is happening for us, not to us. So no matter what you're going through right now, it's actually in preparation for where you're going. Think about that. Whatever you're going through right now is in preparation for where you are going. You are becoming the person you need to be through the trials, through the tribulations, through the challenges that you are being gifted. I said that for a very specific reason, that you are being gifted to rise into the unstoppable, unshakable version of you who is capable of achieving anything. Now, everything is perception and everything is a story. So when you embrace life, all the good, all the difficult, all the challenges, when you embrace it with your full power and you lean into it and you trust the unfolding, you change your future trajectory. If you continue to sit in resistance, you actually just perpetuate the situation that is already unfolding. So, for instance, this is a very simple analogy, but if you put your hands together and you press together with equal force, nothing happens. That's resistance. But if there is something that is pushing on you and you release resistance, what happens? It dissolves. Now, that doesn't mean that you just go through life tripping around going, oh, everything's fine, everything's okay, I don't have any resistance, so everything's going to be good. You can't ignore the problems and challenges. You need to actually be solution focused. Having the ability to solve problems and challenges is a skill set that you can develop. And the more you flex that muscle, the better you get at solving those problems and challenges. But I digress. We need to get back into what this tapping is about. So this is about trusting the unfolding. So trusting whatever trials and tribulations you might be going through, trusting that it's all perfect, and like knowing and letting go and letting God. So that's all sort of a very similar way to say the same thing. And I hope that that really resonates with you. So we're just going to do a positive tapping on trusting the unfolding and letting go and letting God and loving what is. And I just wanted to give you a little bit of context before we dove into the tapping today. Now, if you are new to my channel, then I am Marguerita the Woo Woo Warrior, and I've helped thousands of people just like you to clear their fears, doubts, blocks, and limiting beliefs so they could step into their power and rise into unstoppable wealth, freedom, and impact. And I'm on a mission to help you to be the best and most powerful version of you so you can live life on your terms and achieve every goal and dream that you have. And that's why I love tapping so much, because it helps to release those blocks, those fears, those doubts, and the resistance that is stopping you from becoming the best and most powerful version of you. So let's start by tapping on the side of the hand and just repeat the phrases that I say. Even though I've got these challenges and they're frustrating, I deeply and completely love and accept all of me. Even though I'm feeling frustrated and confused by the challenges that I'm facing, I deeply and completely love and accept all of me right now. Even though things aren't going the way I want them to, and I'm frustrated and annoyed, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept who I am and how I feel right now. Life just isn't working for me. It's not working out the way I want it to. It's frustrating. I don't know what to do. I feel stuck. I feel annoyed. I'm just not achieving my goals as fast as I would like. And I'm not taking the action I need to take. And I've got so many things to do. I want things to change, but they're just not changing. And it's frustrating. I can't seem to get out of my own way. Life just isn't working out for me. Whatever I'm doing isn't working. I really wish things were different. I don't want the life that I have right now. I really want things to be different. But I'm not sure how to make that happen. I don't know how to change the path that I'm on. I feel stuck and confused. I don't know what to do. I'm frustrated by these challenges. And I'm annoyed that life just isn't working out for me. Okay, deep breath. And let it out. Another deep breath. And let it out. Okay, so I covered a number of different emotions there, and spoke to the fact that you might feel a bit frustrated that life just isn't working out for you. Now what we're going to do is a positive tapping on learning to lean in to what is happening, because when you let go of the resistance, you'll have access to much better problem solving capacity in your brain, and you'll be more able to focus on solutions, on taking action that takes you in a new trajectory. It makes sense that if you want to go in a new direction and get different results, then you change your decisions and you change your actions. That's automatically going to start to change your results. Now, it doesn't happen overnight, but as you continue to make better quality decisions, better quality choices, take more actions that are aligned with where you want to go, it makes complete sense that you're going to start going in that direction. And you know that your beliefs cause your thoughts cause your feelings cause your actions, and your actions causes your results. So if you go right back to the core where it starts, to the feelings, or sorry, to the beliefs, then it is amazing how quickly that will change. So this tapping that is all about leaning in to the unfolding and being willing to shift your perspective and your perception is totally life changing. So, what we're going to do now is do the positive tapping on loving what is and trusting the unfolding. So, just start by tapping on the inside of the eye and repeat after me. I choose to trust the unfolding. I choose to love what is. I choose to know everything is perfect. I choose to release all resistance to what is. I choose to trust the unfolding. I choose to lean in to what is. I choose to know life is happening for me, not to me. I choose to know it's all perfect. I choose to release my resistance. I choose to love what is. I choose to know that whatever I'm going through right now is preparing me for what I want to achieve. I choose to love what is. I choose to trust the unfolding. I choose to know it's all perfect. I choose to relax, allow, lean in, and let go. I choose to trust the unfolding. I choose to love what is. I choose to know it's all perfect. I choose to lean into the unfolding. I choose to trust the unfolding. I choose to love what is. I choose to let go of all my resistance to what is. I choose to love what is. It's all perfect. I'm leaning into the unfolding. I'm trusting the unfolding. I know it's all perfect. I love what is in my life. I'm embracing the future and loving what is and trusting the unfolding. Okay, deep breath. And release it. Deep breath. Let go of all that old energy. Now, life is not meant to be without its challenges. We came here to grow in the person we need to be, to discover the amazing power that we have within us, because you are infinitely powerful and you have the ability to achieve anything you put your mind to, no matter how big. So trust the unfolding. Build that belief in yourself that you have the ability to overcome any problem, any challenge, And know that you are bigger than any problem or challenge you will ever face. Know that you are capable of achieving anything you put your mind to. Because once you do that, you will be unstoppable. Embrace your challenges, lean into them, know that they are calling you forward to be the best and most powerful version of you, to learn the skills, to develop yourself into a better human, to develop your problem solving skills, to learn more, to expand into a better version of you. It's all about the expansion. Learn to love this life and fall in love with the challenges that you face, and everything will change. Now, if you have enjoyed this and you'd like some help with your journey from this point forward, then grab a hold of my Soul Aligned Business Blueprint. It's totally free. It's a step-by-step guide that will help you to build a business that feeds your soul and makes a difference in the world and helps you to be the best and most powerful version of you. It will accelerate your journey, and all you need to do to grab a hold of it is type soul in the comments below, and I will send you the link to download this free guide. It is a total game changer. So I look forward to seeing you in another video. In fact, if you want another EFT tapping video that's going to help you to rewire your brain for money, wealth, abundance, and success, then just check out this one right here. It is really, really powerful, and it's going to help to shift your neurons and help you to develop that wealth consciousness mindset. I look forward to seeing you in that video in just a minute. Click on it now.